Hello guys, welcome to a new video of the DBMS question series. So in the previous video we have discussed about the selection algebra query. So today we are going to talk about the projection algebra query. Okay, now question. First they are asking, write the relational algebra query to see the product name of the registered product. Use the product stored as a product table. Okay, now we have to find the details of the product name from the product table. So when writing the query, here we have to use this sign. This is the projection sign. We are using this sign to sort out some information from a column. So after the projection sign, this is my column. Here is my product name. Then here is my table product. In the selection method, after this sign we have entered the condition, but in here we are using the column name. So my column name is product name and the table is the product. So when reading this query, we have to read this query from right to left. We have to select the product from the product name. Likewise, we have to read the projection algebra query. Okay, in the next question they are asking, write the algebra query to check the username and password of the login details of the registered users. Registered users use the login details stored as the system login table. So again we have to find the username and password, and they have given we have to find the username and password from the login table. Okay, when writing that query, here I have used the projection sign, then my columns username and password, then the table which you are finding the username and password. Okay, when within this query we have to find the system login. From the system login table we have to find the username and password. Okay, in the next question they are asking, write the relational algebra query to see the user's ID, first name, last name of the registered users. Use the table stored by registered user as the user table. Okay, now we have to find the user ID, first name and last name from the user table. So when writing that query, here I have used the projection sign. Then I'm going to find the user ID, first name, last name from the user table. As same as the previous question, as you can see here how we write the query. In the last question they are asking, create a relational algebra query to see the product name and description of the product whose brand name is Bata. Use the brand ID as 2. Use the brand stored as brand table. Okay, in here we have to use sub queries like, so here I have used the selection algebra query and the projection algebra query. First I have select all the products from the product table where the brand ID equal to. That means the brand name will be Bata. Then from that result I have sort out the product name and the description. So when reading this query, select the brand ID where equal to from the products and sort out the product name and the description from the relevant result. So that's how we read that query. So we have completed our question. So this will be the end of my video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.